walang bilis kagaya din yung nangyari sa Kidapawan. My God, they're sleeping. This is a 3-day presidency. 3 days sa Mama Sapano, 3 days sa Yolanda, 3 days ko ano. Lapanay 3 days, tingnan ninyo.
Sir, na-mention nyo na rin yung Kidapawan massacre. Who do you think is to be blamed? Ba't nangyaring ganitong insidente?
I cannot judge because I'm not there, but I judge the action of Malacanang. What did they do? The first day that there is a gathering like that size, then you ask yourself, what's happening there? Nangyari na sa amin nung panahon ni Marcos yan eh. 1974, nagkaroon din ng food shortage. Ako na mahala noon. Kine-criticize nila ng Marcial. Pinadala ko lahat dito yung mga corn sa Mindanao. Giniling namin, hinalo namin sa bigas para magkaroon ng supply. Oh, ay hindi umangal ang mga tao. Nasarapan pa sila doon sa mixture na yun. Hanggang ngayon, di pa natuto. Wala natutuhan from day one of administration. How to run a country. All they do talk is growth. Ano yung growth? Do you understand growth? Do you feel it? Huh? But you feel hunger. You feel fear. Oh, yung growth, you don't feel it. It's just a number. It's just an opinion of economists that we are growing. But do we share in that growth? This is a question of leadership, a question of common sense, innate common sense of a person.
So, sir, walang comment.
That shows the character, the values that he knows.
So, sir, paano niyo i-assess yung 6 years ni Pinoy? Kasi patapos na yung termino niya.
Wala na siya magagawa ngayon.
Name that.
What can that president do? He's a hollow symbol in our society right now.